It's snowing. It's snowing. It's cold. Okay, time to get back to bed. This is unique. Why is it because we're in Florida? Yes, because we're in Florida. It's amazing, really. This seems more like hail. In fact, this just feels like cold rain. You want to be a Debbie Downer, Percy? No. I'm playing the snow. Ow. I'll stop acting like I abuse you every season. Come on, I'll do it myself. I landed on my back. It's amazing. It's winter. It's amazing, it's winter. Look. The recording equipment is getting pelted by rain. I thought you said it was hail. You said it was hail. I said it was snow. No, you just said it was rain. Ducking hell. Ducking bell. Okay, well, why is it hailing after like 7 seasons of not even a drop? Who are you? Mary. You seem like a boy. I'm called. Well, I think I refer to it more as. Don't worry. I pulled the Hail Mary Express. So you were given a girl's name because the train you pull is the Hail Mary. Yep. That's stupid. But you can't lie, it produces results. I guess I can't really lie. Wanna join the railway? Yeah, I get bored often, really. Mostly hanging out in Antarctica. Here are a few snowflakes. Do you see the snowflakes? It feels slightly... This really is a challenge about like how much damage TNFC's mic can take. It can take a lot of damage, thank you very much. Who said that? Books, you're right. Oh, I'm being filmed. Hello. Hey. You're a part of the main cast. You want a different name? Yes. How about May? Yeah, sure, the Hail May. I guess your train can still be called the Hail Mary, sure, why not? You're a part of the railway now. I personally won't worry about it too much. This is a lot of hail. Really a lot of hail. Come on, Hail Mary. Let's get the other engines a chance to enjoy the hail too. Meanwhile, the hail will spoil my lovely green paint and red stripes. That seems like a you problem. Why does no one ever stand with me? Because you're a bad steamer. Hey, what are you doing? This is nice. I'm gonna get stuff in my boiler and then not work. Henry, you don't have wheels to work. Oh. That's the main reason it didn't go along. Yes. Oh, you're just an idiot. Flood for me, Henry. But Trying to quit whining. You want me to pour ice on you. You're really a bad friend. I'm not a nice man. Still. Okay, what I want you to do is step on this and float. Really? Come on, fall. Wait, hey, no. Help! Help! Okay, let's get him out. Can get in there. Fine. Funny, wasn't it?